what's up you guys? So I'm back with another video, and today is just an updated wash day routine. And as you can see, my hair is super dry. This is about 5-day-old curls. My hair has product on it from the previous week, so it's dirty and I just need to handle this. So today I'm going to use these products by The Main Choice, and this is their Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion collection, which I was honored to be a part of. And these products can be found in any Sally Beauty near you. So first I'm going to start off by rinsing my hair first, and I'm going to use their shampoo. And I love this shampoo because it's super moisturizing. A lot of shampoos tend to dry your hair out. This shampoo did not do that. It actually moisturized my hair a lot. So now that my hair is freshly cleansed, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my conditioner. And this conditioner is just as bomb as the shampoo, you guys. So make sure you get both. They do go together. And I'm going to use a whole lot of it because it smells so good. This stuff smells so good. And I'm just going to apply that to my ends. And when I detangle, I like to detangle with the conditioner still in my hair, but with the water running it out my hair, if that makes sense, all at once. It just makes it easier for me that way. So now I'm going to use this anti-shedding and intense volume therapy mask. And this mask is so moisturizing, you guys, and it doesn't weigh your hair down. And it's made specifically for people with fine to medium hair. So that's a plus for me. So what I'm doing is just distributing that product all throughout my hair and focusing on my ends. And I'm going to clip that up and put my deep condition cap on and go ahead and take my shower and do what I got to do. So I just made sure to completely rinse all of that product out my hair, so there's currently nothing in my hair at the moment. So I just went ahead and put this microfiber towel on to soak up any excess water. Oh, and I was sent this really cute robe by The Main Choice as well, and it's purple, and I love purple. But you guys know when I style my hair, I like to style in sections. I feel like it's easier that way, and I feel like the product is just distributed through your hair 10 times better when your hair is sectioned off. So the product I'm using today is this mousse by The Main Choice, and on it says not your average mousse because it's definitely not your average mousse. This is the only product I'm using other than the oil, and it's like unheard of for a curly girl to use one product. Like, what? But this product is so lightweight, you guys, and it gives your hair a nice bounce, and you can use it on straight hair as well as a like heat protectant. So now it's time to style my hair, and I decided to actually do a half up, half down hairstyle. As always, this is like my go-to hairstyle, you guys. But I'm going to just pin up the top part first so I can focus on the back of my hair. And what I'm going to do is take my Denman brush just to clump all my curls together because I want my curls in the back to be really defined. So I'm just taking this brush and clumping my curls together until it creates like bigger, plumpier, juicier curls, you know? And you could just automatically see the difference in my curls. They're just more defined. So now that the back of my hair is finished, I'm just pinning that up, and now I'm just going to focus on the front part of my hair. I'm actually going to go ahead and slay these edges real quick off camera. But now that my edges is laid and slayed, I'm just throwing that in a ponytail. And I want the curls in my ponytail to be really defined and voluminous. So after I brush it out with my Denman brush, I'm going to go in with my finger and just create a few finger coils. And that's just going to make more volume since the curls are going to be a little bigger and more plump. So what I like to do whenever I do like ponytail hairstyles, I like to take a little piece of hair and just hide the ponytail holder. I feel like the hairstyle is like 10 times more neat and uniform when the ponytail holder is not showing. So at this point, my hairstyle is basically finished. My hair just takes 5 to 6 hours to dry. I'm just going to speed that up a little bit and use my handy dandy blow dryer and diffuser. This is on a low setting, and I use that mousse, which also is the thermal protection, so we good. But I'm going to stop talking so much and speed this up a little bit for you guys. So as you can see, I went ahead and beat my face real quick and got dressed. But I am so obsessed with the results I received from these products. My hair is very voluminous, and it's so hard for like girls with fine to medium hair. Not even just girls, guys too. People with fine to medium hair find a moisturizing product that doesn't weigh our hair down. And I'm amped right now, as you can see, because like my hair is moisturized and voluminous. Like that's a plus for me. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and if you guys ever tried these products, let me know how you like them. And make sure you stay tuned for my next uploads because I have plenty more coming. And thank you so much for watching.